This place is called Ebbitt. Okay, we're at, if I'm pronouncing it right, Ebbitt, Old Ebbitt, Old Ebbitt Grill, and we both ordered the crab cake with fries, coleslaw, tartar sauce, and a lemon. So this looks delicious, and we're gonna get down with this delicious meal. All right, I can tell you this food is real good. That's my review. Thumbs up, double thumbs up. Crab cake, the coleslaw, fries are hot and nice little crisps, and tartar sauce. And I'm gonna get some of this bread, but I'm sure it's delicious.